Here are 10 simple tips to make your everyday life easier. 1. Plan your day the night before. Write down tasks and prioritize them. It helps reduce stress and keeps you focused. 2. Declutter regularly. Keep your space organized to save time and energy searching for things. 3. Use a timer for tasks. Set a timer, like 25 minutes for work, 5 minutes break, to boost productivity. 4. Create a drop zone. Have a spot near the entrance for keys, bags, and essentials to avoid last-minute searches. 5. Meal prep ahead of time. Prepare meals in advance to save time and avoid unhealthy food choices. 6. Automate bill payments. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and save time. 7. Keep a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated improves focus and energy levels. 8. Use apps for reminders. Use calendar apps or reminder apps to keep track of appointments and tasks. 9. Batch similar tasks. Group similar tasks together, like answering emails, to improve efficiency. 10. Practice gratitude daily. Take a moment each day to reflect on positive things. It improves mental well-being and clarity. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.